Hello everybody, it is Jen. This is a quick hip flow tutorial. So you're going to start in a seated position. You're going to take your hands behind you and your feet are going to be flat out in front of you. I like to spin my fingers so they point away from each other, but you can kind of see what works for you, see what position you want your hands in. You're going to reach your knees to the left. As you do that, think about sweeping the right leg forward and around. So again, I'm tipping and I'm reaching this leg forward and around. Try that a couple of times. You'll notice this hand is lifting off the ground as I do it. It might even trace the same pattern as the leg. All right, let's take that a step further. I'll face this way so you can see me. So I'm still tipping my knees to the left and I'm reaching my right leg. My right hand reaches. I'm going to step through this way. So I'm in like a half Turkish get-up position. To come out of it, I'm going to take my left hand back to the floor. I'm going to take this leg. I'm going to start sweeping it around and back. All right. So again, we are tipping and reaching here. Let's go ahead and add on to that. So we've got that tip, reach, step. From here, you're going to take your hands to the floor. You're going to take this leg that's back here. You're going to step it into a squat position. And then let's just step out of it. So we're back. Try that again. We sweep around, squat. All right, we're going to add one more thing to it. Make sure you have enough room. Hopefully I do. All right, so you're going to swim, reach, squat. Now I'm going to take my hands. I'm going to reach them to the left. I'm going to pivot. I'm going to reach this right leg. Step it in front of the left foot. I don't have a lot of room. I'm back in my squat position. And then I can just come back out of it. So now I'm going to turn and face you so that I have enough room going that way so you can see. I'm going to swim, reach, squat, hands reach, foot reaches, and then I could go the other way. Oops. I did that a little funky on that side, but you get the idea. So give that a try and see how it goes. As always, if you found this useful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.